Need to add your own voice in CapCut? In this video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover in CapCut using your iPhone. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up an existing project. Then, your iPhone's camera roll will open. Select the video clip you want. Next, tap Add in the bottom right corner. Now, your clip will appear in the editing timeline. After that, tap on Audio from the bottom menu. Now here, you will find some options like Extract, Sound, Sound Effects, Record, etc. Here, you need to tap on Record. Now press on hold the Hold to Record button. Speak clearly while recording. Leave it when you finish. Your voiceover will appear as an audio track under the video. Now, here, you can couple up options like Enhance Voice and Audio Effects. If you tap on Enhance, it will enhance your voiceover quality, which is an effective tool for audio editing. Then, if you go back and tap Audio Effects, you can use voice filters. Then you can use voice characters. And here you will get a magic option called Speech to Song. Just tap on it, then select a song style. And now play and check it out. Awesome, right? So that's all. This is how you can record and edit voiceover from CapCut on iPhone. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.